Hey, what's up? It's Joe from the Joe Lifestyle. You know, it occurred to me that I do not have a spaghetti video. So I'm gonna make some spaghetti bolognese. Except this time, I'm going to use ground chicken with this bolognese just because I have to accommodate people that don't like to eat beef. And for me personally, chicken is a compromise. Unless you're talking about genuine jerk chicken or adobe chicken or chicken wings, you know, chicken's a compromise. But I don't mind it. I love garlic. All right, so let's start off with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. One medium onion finely chopped. Just cook this for a couple minutes. Once those onions become a little bit translucent, you can throw in about 1.5 cups of finely diced carrots. And this is about 1/2 cup of finely diced celery. Just cook that for about another 5 minutes, just so that they soften up. There's about 4 large cloves of garlic here. You could probably use about 2 or 3, but I need the garlic. All right, those veggies are softened up. It's time to add the ground chicken. And that looks like it's cooked through. And we add about 1 cup of marsala. Cook down for about another 7 minutes. That looks pretty good. And then we throw in about 1/2 cup of cream. This is 18% cream. And then reduce that for another 5 to 7 minutes. Throw in a can of whole tomatoes. About 3 to 4 tablespoons of tomato paste. A teaspoon of salt. There's about 1 tablespoon of oregano and just a pinch of thyme. And about 1 tablespoon of crushed red chili flakes. Give that a stir, and you want to pop those tomatoes. Some black pepper. And then once you've hacked up most of those tomatoes, throw in a couple bay leaves. And just cover that baby up for about 45 minutes to an hour, maybe even longer. Oh yeah, baby. That looks just about right. We'll throw some pasta in a pan. Scoop up some of that awesome looking sauce. Cook it down for a couple of minutes and just let that pasta soak up that sauce. And let's plate this baby. We'll just chop up some basil. All right, so we'll throw some of my favorite cheese on there. Some of that freshly chopped basil. And another scoop of the sauce, just for good measure. That fresh basil is perfect. Tons of flavor, slight kick. Exactly what you want out of a plate of spaghetti. That was delicious. That cooked down cream and the marsala just levels up that dish. And then you sprinkle that freshly chopped basil on top for that added freshness. Anyways, I hope you liked that. I really appreciate you watching. Remember to give me a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you in the next one.